Imagine a time of revolution and change, a time when 13 colonies decided to unite to form a new nation, the United States of America. It was the late 18th century when these colonies, each distinct and diverse, rose against British rule. Sparked by a desire for freedom and self-governance, their collective courage ignited the American Revolution. In 1776, the Declaration of Independence was drafted, a profound document that boldly asserted the colonies' right to be free and independent states. It was a daring pledge of freedom, democracy, and human rights, values that would come to define this nascent nation. The revolution culminated in the formation of the U.S. Constitution in 1787, a groundbreaking document that established the framework of the federal government. It was a testament to the vision and wisdom of the nation's founders. Thus, a new nation was born, built on a dream of democracy and freedom. America's path was not always smooth. It was a journey marked by triumphs and trials, by unity and discord. Let's delve into some of the key historical events that have shaped this fascinating nation. The mid-19th century was marked by a bloody conflict, the Civil War. The North and the South clashed over the contentious issues of slavery and states' rights. This 4-year-long battle from 1861 to 1865 saw the Union's victory, leading to the abolition of slavery. It's a poignant reminder of the lengths to which the nation went to uphold human rights. Moving forward, the nation faced an economic catastrophe in the form of the Great Depression in the 1930s. Unprecedented unemployment rates and poverty swept across the land. However, it was during this bleak period that the New Deal policies were introduced, transforming the American economic landscape and setting the foundation for modern economic policies. Next, we ponder the World Wars. The United States, initially a neutral party in both conflicts, eventually played a major role in shaping their outcomes. These global conflicts significantly altered America's role in the world, marking the transition from an isolationist policy to becoming a leading global power. The 1960s brought about an era of social and political change with the civil rights movement. This struggle for racial equality, spearheaded by figures like Martin Luther King Jr., led to landmark legislation that outlawed racial discrimination and segregation. This period remains an embodiment of America's ongoing pursuit of equal rights for all. Each of these events has left an indelible mark on the American story, profoundly shaping its politics, society, and identity. They reflect the nation's ability to confront adversity, to change, and to strive for a better future. Through every challenge and victory, the nation evolved, its history a testament to its resilience and ambition. Every nation has its heroes, its leaders, its visionaries. America is no exception. The first to spring to mind, perhaps, is George Washington. His pivotal role in the American Revolution and his steadfast leadership as the first president set the tone for the nation's future. And who could forget Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president, whose unyielding stance against slavery and his efforts to preserve the Union during the Civil War defined a critical period in American history. Then there's Martin Luther King Jr., a beacon of the civil rights movement. His dream of equality and his tireless fight against racial discrimination have had a profound impact on the nation's social fabric. These are but a few of the countless individuals who, through their actions and ideals, have helped mold America into what it is. These figures, among many others, have left indelible marks on the nation's canvas, shaping the America we know today. America is a melting pot, a nation built by immigrants, a country constantly evolving and reinventing itself. The cultural and societal evolution of this nation is a tale as diverse as its people. With waves of immigration from every corner of the globe, America's cultural fabric has been continually woven with threads of new ideas, customs, and traditions. Industrialization and technological advancements have spurred societal changes, transforming the way we work, communicate, and live. The evolution of American values, too, is a reflection of this constant change. From the abolitionist movement to the fight for civil rights, from the women's suffrage movement to the struggle for LGBTQ+ rights, America's societal evolution is marked by a relentless pursuit of equality and justice. Through triumphs and trials, America has continually sought to redefine itself, to better live up to its founding ideals. From its founding ideals to its modern guise, America's story is one of constant evolution, of a nation striving to live up to its promise.